eBooks may be available as a standalone product launched directly from within your user account, or they may be launched from within your Navigate course by clicking on an eBook chapter link. To open the eBook from within a Navigate course, launch your course and navigate to the chapter you would like to open, then click on the chapter's eBook link. The first page of the selected chapter will load in a new tab within your web browser. If this is your first time opening the eBook, take a moment to explore and learn about the features available using the Tor overlay. The Settings button in the top right of the page provides the option to expand or reduce the text size to suit your reading preference. To toggle the text size, click and drag the button on the scale left or right while viewing the text size in the preview section provided. Then, click Save to apply the adjusted size. The Print button may be used to print the desired pages of the chapter section you are viewing. The Bookmark button is a tool used to save a reference point on the page, providing you with a quick link to return to the exact location that was chosen. To create a bookmark, first click on the Bookmark button, and then click on the desired location of the page to apply it. Next, click the Sync button at the top right of the page to save your progress. It is a recommended best practice to click Sync after creating any bookmarks or annotations as you read. The Listen button will enable the eBook screen reader and highlight text as it is read aloud. The reading may be paused at any time using the Text-to-Speech toolbar displayed at the top of the page. The Pointer button within the toolbar may be selected and then used to click on a specific sentence for it to be read aloud. Use the arrow buttons to the left and right of the page to navigate from page to page. Alternatively, you may use the scroll bar at the bottom of the page to jump to any desired location of the eBook and refer to it as an indicator of your progress. As you read, you may encounter underlined glossary terms within the text, which may be clicked on to view their definition in a resulting pop-up window. Highlighting any section of text with your cursor will automatically open an Annotation Toolbar, which may be used to highlight eBook text or create either written or recorded audio notes. Upon leaving a note, the selected text will highlight in gray and display a notation icon at the beginning of the section, which shows a note is available to review for the highlighted text. A note icon at the bottom of the left-hand toolbar will reveal the presence and number of notes created on a given page. After creating annotations and before closing the eBook, it is important to click the Sync button at the top right of the page to ensure all changes are saved for your next session. All supporting media resources, such as images, videos, animations, and audio clips, are embedded in line with the text where applicable and may be launched or played with a click of your mouse. Concluding chapter sections in select titles include knowledge check questions, which may be used to self-evaluate reading comprehension. Knowledge checks are not graded and may be attempted an unlimited number of times. Like other resources, knowledge checks are only available in select titles and may not be available in your eBook. Concluding each chapter in select titles is a comprehensive eBook quiz, which allows 5 attempts total, the highest of which will be reported to the Navigate gradebook. The left side of the page hosts additional navigation tools, including a search option, which may be used to locate keywords found in the eBook text, media, your annotations, or quizzes when applicable. Under the Contents tab, you may use the interactive Table of Contents to jump to any section of the eBook. You will also find other subtabs here, cataloging your bookmarks, eBook enrichments such as videos and animations, and assessments where applicable. The My Stuff tab provides a catalog of all your annotations created to date, including all highlights and notes taken. These may be browsed and clicked on to jump directly to them. You may also delete or edit your annotations from this tab as needed. All annotations can be exported to an external document by clicking the Export button within the My Stuff tab. The file can be saved to your computer and printed if desired. Finally, the Glossary button can be clicked on to open the eBook Glossary to review the definitions of all key terms identified in the text.